upwards. Now let's race.
Not too fast, sir. Look ahead.
Okay, look ahead. Whoa. Very good. Whoa.
Sir, look ahead over there.
I am looking ahead.
Why is your bike shaking?
I'm not shaking it. I'm just going left and right.
Don't go left. You need to go straight.
When there's people on the right, go left, right. When there's people on green light, go to the blue line.
Okay, we'll go right from here slowly. Very slowly.
Because it said slow. Because the wind said slow.
There's a police car.
An accident?
Yeah.
So we better watch out. We have to watch out. So we better watch out for the street. Because there's an accident. There's a police car there. Toronto Police. This is Toronto, Ontario. Daddy, this is Ontario. Is this Ontario? Yes, it is Ontario, I think. Welcome to Ontario Place. Stay on the west side.
Right.
Yeah, right. Right. I'm faster than you. I'm not heading anywhere. Left. Be careful, don't crash. Don't crash on the floor, or you might get a boo-boo. Now it's going to be up and down the hill. Right there. Up, down. Hold on tight. Because we cannot hit anyone. I'm faster than you. Now you have to stay to the left because there's people. Daddy, I was telling you don't go to the grass. I'm very fast.
Come on, let's go to the right way.
The ending is the site. The ending is the site.
We need to wait here.
Now we can start moving
Stay to the right side.
to the right.
Yeah.
That's better. Daddy, that's it. We're almost there. stop pedaling? It's good outside, Daddy. Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it good outside? Isn't it? On the right all the time? On the right all the time? I slow it down. Pizza, pizza. This is so much fun, Daddy. Daddy, it's not dark. Three, two, one, go! I think I'm gonna win, Daddy. I'm gonna win. Let me faster. Whoa! I think I'm gonna win. Here we are, Daddy. I hear. Okay, I'm coming. We'll stop. We have to stop. We have to stop. We have to stop somewhere. Oh, whoa, upwards. Let me go faster. Fast, fast, and fast. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Your bike is faster, Daddy. And my thing is orange as well. Cheers. We both have orange. Daddy, I have orange and you have orange. We have same. Daddy, is it your bike or it's the Tangerine's bike? Watch out. Whoa. This is so much fun. So I've got an idea. How about we exchange this bike? I could have this bike and you could ride mine. I could ride this Tangerine bike when I grow up. Daddy, let's have a race. Are we having a race?
Let's go. Let's steady pace, okay?
can all put them over there because we don't have too much space. Pedal very fast. Just like this, people. Alright, I'm going. I'm coming faster, faster. I'm doing it, Daddy. Yeah.
Hands on the brakes, sir.
Was it a fun ride? Daddy, that was a fun ride? That was such a fun, such a happy time. Run, Daddy. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, not too fast, just a bit faster. Be careful. Too fast. Hurry. Not too fast. Daddy's falling. Those arms, Daddy's taking good care of us. Whoa. Whoa. It looks like a merry, and it's like a roller coaster, Daddy. Okay, not too fast. Thanks for reminding. Didn't see that. That was a big jump. Now I have to slow down. Whoa. Let's go.
Yeah.
Whoa. That was another big jump. My belly's hungry. The next station is Stroller Station. We'll always stay on the right. But do not go too fast. There's so many people there. Watch. So many people. Stay on the left.